everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it's Easter and I haven't opened it. Like, I don't know any of the stuff except the stuff that's on top. I got Mr. Beast cookies and this is my Easter basket and I'm just gonna be opening it on camera. Like that. And Mommy, it's orange. Then Mr. Beast cookies. And then
Harvey was like, it's 9 o'clock. And I was like, so what? And then she said, and I was like, oh yeah, it's Easter.
bubbles. Ooh, what is this? You know, I'm gonna open this right now. I don't know what it is.
Wait, is
Liam.
is this sugar cookie?
It's Snickerdoodle.
Oh,
So good.
it's still, okay, that's still good, but still, at first I really thought it was good. They have Smart Sweet, like, Sour Patch, but Sour Patch knockoffs now. What kind of Skittles are these? Oh, look at
They're
these.
playing. They're just Easter colors.
Mom, I got the white kind of Skittles. Oh, but look at the D's nuts bars.
Okay.
But Mom, the D's nuts.
Got some stickers and
What? Well, the commercial. We made a funny commercial. I'm sure they are. But I don't know.
Mommy, look how cute it
I'm
is.
guessing most parents find it funny.
Oh, look at that, guys.
What kind of back of a Skittle
Okay.
pack is this?
Let me see.
Probably with Easter Skittles.
Okay.
What, me? I was just saying. I'm making fun of the Skittles or whatever they're doing.
Guys, these are my Skittles.
I got a pop.
They're all original, just Easter.
I got a carton of milk.
I got a Feastables bar and this, Mommy, this is actually the one I wanted to try, the crunch
Harper, you
one.
better give me a bite.
Okay. It's a crunch Feastables. Oh, wait.
And the cookies.
They're like sad.
What's different?
We have the same.
Oh, we got the peanut
Uh,
butter cup.
Ooh, these are Aldi socks. I'm putting them on now. One sock is on.
This Pop Tart looks so weird.
Let me see. Ew, it's like my triphobia. Ooh, wait. Ooh, that's cool. Pop Tart.
I got a Reebok.
Oh, I mean, I probably did too. Reese's. Oh, I did too. Kiddo Bueno. Asher, look at this. It's a
Look at that.
mini Barbie house for Barbies. Guys, look, it's a mini Barbie house for Barbies that comes with a doll too. Hold on. Then Easter pencils. Wait, I got an Easter notebook. I mean, not Easter, Pop It notebook. Ow, dang it. Wait. Actually, look, I got a Pop It notebook. Wait, let's see if the Pop It's good. Good Pop It. Okay. Put that there. Okay. I got off all the top stuff. Okay. I got 2 ring pops. Rice Krispie chocolate egg.
Look.
Mm.
Oh no, what happened to the
Bubble
O
gum.
in Mario? Look. What the?
No. Wait, guys, I think there's more pieces of bubble gum. No.
What bubble gum?
Okay, well, I got 2 pieces of bubble gum. Banana Reese things. And then I got
How late did you stay up?
not that late. I think I went to bed at like 12 because I asked Chris for sleeping medicine because I couldn't fall asleep.
She didn't care about Easter.
Okay, I have 4 Rice Krispie Easter eggs. I should just eat Pop-Tart. And then I have a handful of Lolos. Okay, and this is my most exciting thing. I noticed this while I was getting out all the other stuff. I got Peachy Baby Slime. This is activator spray, just in case. 2 stickers and a bracelet. But look out, it's Peachy Babies. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Mommy, I'm opening up my Peachy Babies. Whoa, look how pretty it is. And look, the axolotl.
It's like every other slime.
It feels so nice. Look at the axolotl. Right in there. Here.
Oh my gosh, Heartbreak's like every other slime. It's the exact same.
Oh, I did not mean to stay there.
Axolotl.
Heartbreak's the exact same.
When do you want to open your eggs? I was really sad about the Kinder Bueno because I thought it was individual bars, so I didn't get one.
Oh. Yeah, you can have some of mine.
That's fine. I don't want it.
But,
So,
I kind of don't want to destroy my beautiful eggs.
I got the axolotl in space. So there's a little
Wait. Oh, I
UFO,
think it's actually on the egg. You can feel it.
an axolotl.
Oh, okay, there it was.
Then look,
Inside's junk,
stars.
But I couldn't resist. It's cute on the outside.
Smarties.
Oh, well, junk, but not
There's a little window.
not cheap junk at least.
Oh, it's all just Smarties.
Well, you can share. I think
Yeah.
your daddy likes money.
Yeah. There's so much room. Why don't they have like at least a figure?
Oh,
I
this
thought
is.
it was. If there's not even a figure there, I'm sorry.
I actually don't know. Maybe
I thought there
I
was
don't know.
both or something in there.
Mom,
And
look.
how was it Mario? I guess the egg. I'm gonna open my peanuts one first. The peanuts one has a figure.
Oh yeah, their times are scented. I forgot to tell you. I don't know what.
supposed to just leave this thing in there?
Well, you can take it out while you play with it. Some people leave it, but
Well,
I like to take them out while I play with it.
The peanuts one has a figure.
Oh, wait,
Which one do you
where's
think
my
I'm gonna get?
axolotl so I can take it out?
I don't know.
Harper, which peanuts character do you
I didn't get a peanuts. I only got this like animal pet.
Yeah, I got
It's
you
super
two
cute.
Harper,
peanuts and I
which
got her.
peanuts did you?
She did get one. She got
Got animal.
a pet, little pet shop.
You think
Yeah.
Littlest pet shop. No. What is this?
I don't know, but I
This
really
is a
like
Disney
it.
Junior cartoon
Oh.
called Tots.
Come on, look at the pretty color that's turning into. It's like cotton candy because it's still not mixing. It's like an ombre.
Oh,
Yeah, it's in the
and
top.
then some stickers.
I like these actually.
Oh no, am I gonna get Lucy or whatever her name is?
It's not Lucy.
What's her name?
Sally.
Sally. But, oh yeah, Lucy's the mean one. I don't want Sally. She's lame.
Mommy, she's
She's Charlie Brown's
Bossy.
little sister, right?
assertive.
No.
Isn't she Charlie Brown's little
Lucy's
sister?
that brown hair kid.
Sally's his sister.
Oh, you're talking about. Oh no, I know who Lucy is. Lucy's the mean one to
Oh my
Charlie
God,
Brown.
This
Guys,
girl,
look at
what was
this.
her name?
Peppermint Patty. Oh, those are cute figures. Oh, I wish I bought more now.
This slime feels so
Yeah, they
nice.
got a phone.
I kind of wish you got one.
They have
This
like a little
feels so
thing
nice,
where you can
guys.
see all the figures.
Ooh, okay, well, I want to open up some of my other things, so I'm going to put it back in.
I was scared I was gonna get Sally.
And Mommy, I just love how cool they're labeled right here. Peachy Baby slime. Okay, and I got the axolotl in space. Mommy, I opened up my Pop-It
Like
notebook.
that, Bubba.
Oh, and can I show them the peeps that we get to share? Guys, so me and my siblings, there's some peeps that we get to share. So there's, what is this one?
Wildberry.
Wildberry. We have 2 Wildberry peeps, and then popcorn peeps. But guess what? We actually tried the Dr. Pepper peeps once. If you guys are wondering where my other Where my sister
It's
is?
Pepsi. Peach,
Um,
not Dr. Pepper.
She's at work right now. But yeah. No, it was Dr. Pepper.
It was Pepsi.
Mom, tell us it was Dr. Pepper.
Yes. You want here?
Yeah.
The peach?
Yeah.
You want here?
I think it was gonna at Scouts, but you tried the Dr. Pepper food.
Why was your daddy here?
I don't know.
Oh, the weekend you... No, your daddy went with?
So we tried the Pepsi one and Dr. Pepper?
No, Pepsi. No, it wasn't soda. It was actual Peeps.
Oh,
Marshmallow.
yeah, those.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna get open my cotton candy. It's
Mom,
just
listen, Isabel tried the peach Pepsi. And he said, no, it tastes the same. It does not taste good. But I was like, no, it was peach Pepsi. So they were talking about a drink.
no. Alright, guys. I'm gonna open up my cup
What?
and candy. Okay. I've never had this kind. Normally I just have like Buc-ee's. Like this is from like Aldi. It's orange flavored. Mommy! Hang on, guys. Mommy, where are you? Guess what? This cotton candy is flavored orange. Yeah. It tastes so good. Guys, this is really good. I like it. Whoa. What? Oh, shit. Okay. Actually, guess what? This cotton candy is flavored orange. And it tastes so good.
Go ahead and eat it.
Huh? Okay, so. I don't really like this. I'm gonna try one of. Actually, I'm gonna try one of these like Rice Krispie eggs. Why am I shaking? Actually, I'm trying one of these Rice Krispie eggs. Oh, what flavor did you get? Probably watermelon. Liam got blue. Alright, guys. There's a Rice Krispie chocolate egg. It's white chocolate. I love white chocolate, guys. This tastes like white chocolate, but then towards the end, it tastes like a crumble cookie. Like, not like, but only like like a plain cookie, like with nothing on it, just like dough. But after it's cooked, I don't know why.
It tastes exactly like watermelon now. It doesn't feel right to just eat it.
But
I keep trying to chew it.
I chew cotton candy. Wait, Azra, we should try our. That's right. Guys, I'm gonna try Mr. Beast cookies.
Everyone.
Huh? No, you have your own whole bag. I'm not
I
giving.
want to open mine right now.
Oh, I thought you said give me one. Like, no, you have your whole own
Let's
bag.
try one.
Yeah, wait, can I show them your bag too? This is-
Fine.
Me and my brother both got Mr. Beast cookies. That one's my brother's.
Someone show him who. Let me see what cookies look like.
What? No, you're not having one. You have your own
That's
bag.
what I wanted.
No, you have your own bag.
I want to open mine.
What is wrong with that? Hector, if you have your own whole bag, I'm not gonna give you one of my
I'm
cookies.
scared I'm not gonna like it because they're peanut butter.
If you don't, Chris will enjoy them.
Oh yeah, right. Oh,
You better, actually.
which one got the regular ones?
Okay. That's good. The chocolate chips are really tasty. I don't want to finish the cookie dough right now. I just wanted to try it, so I'm gonna put that cookie back into my bag. Mr. Beast, you make good cookies.
And Harvey, you know they're gluten free and plant based, right?
Yeah.
Mom knows that too, right?
Yeah, I don't think she does.
So,
Alright, I'm gonna try these.
oh yeah, I'm about to.
Yeah, I'm trying organic Sour Patch Kids.
Oh,
Do you like them?
it kind of tastes like the food.
I really hope they don't.
There's no sour on them. What?
Dude, there's no sour on them.
That's like sugar, not sour, no. Citric acid.
No, I'm scared.
They're better than the fish. I want to try like watermelon.
Yeah, but probably won't. Oh wait, we can buy a cow.
These are pretty good. These are my favorite out of these so far. The peach rings, the Swedish fish.
Wait, you like the Swedish fish more than the peach rings?
No, both of them are.
Oh.
I don't like them at all.
Actually, I'm gonna try these.
Look like that cow's doing inappropriate stuff.
Oh. I'm still recording.
Parker, he has a boot. Right? Some kind of animal stuffed animal. He's going there. And then he says some stuff and then does it again.
Okay, guys, so. Ooh, I wanna try that colorful one. Oh, but they made it to where you could still close it. It's literally, you open it like a milk carton and you close it.
Look at King grew up.
He has no eyes. He has no eye sockets.
Those stupid fat noses in the way. Look.
Uh,
And look, they made his shell, his four spike like in the show.
okay. Some of them are just regular color and some of them are crazy colored, but I have a crazy color. Or they're
He's
different.
fake and he's pretty cool.
Yeah, okay.
I hate how his crown got smushed.
They look, on the inside, they look just like how they do on the package.
Remember, they're just whoppers.
Oh, I swear I remember this taste.
Yeah, they're just whoppers.
I have blue. Peachy. Oh.
Oh, look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some watermelon cotton candy and put some gummies in.
How does it taste?
It's actually better.
While I play if I take out the charms because like they're really big, it can
We can
get in the
open
way of your
watermelon.
playing. But I still really like them. They're so cute.
I have one other.
And just the thing is that the PT Babies people, because I also watch their like YouTube channel and YouTube Shorts and their TikTok. I'm a huge fan.
Try the watermelon.
Huh? There's no sugar stuff on them like they say on the packaging. I don't know if this Gummy brand is really that good. Might be organic, but okay, guys. So I don't want to.
Try it.
No, I don't want to.
Try it.
Guys, my brother's so mean. Don't. Where'd it go?
It's not gonna look like what they do on the package.
They're so hard to
These are the
chew.
best. These are the best in my opinion.
This is fun. What do you mean?
They start to taste like soap. That's right.
And how are you gonna live?
I know. I don't even think he knows how. He didn't really let me at all. He literally just gave me some. It gave me a lot too.
Whoa, look at this, guys.
Spider web.
Yeah.
Is that Peachy Babies?
Mhm.
That is not slime. That's kinetic sand.
This is a texture slime. What can kinetic sand do this?
That's what kinetic sand is.
Kinetic. My brother's saying kinetic sand can do this.
It can.
It can't stretch without it ripping apart.
Yeah,
It can't stretch. You can't do this with kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand overall is better anyways.
Slime is way better than kinetic sand. And this doesn't even look like kinetic sand.
Eater.
And after this is the slime texture. They didn't make this texture. It's just been a
That might
texture.
be my favorite presents I've ever gotten.
Huh? Yeah, this is probably like the best Easter basket we've ever gotten.
Literally because of I was so
Mainly because of this and Mr. Beast's chocolate bar.
But the chocolate bars and the bags are at Walmart. We need to go.
No, I don't know what the chocolate bars are at.
At Walmart.
Oh, she said Walmart? I thought she... I've seen the cookies
I'm
before.
actually very surprised how small they are.
I've seen... Yeah.
I kind of like that.
I think these are the smaller ones.
I don't like how big Hershey's are. Who just likes to eat a chocolate bar like that? No. I want to try the crunch one so bad, but you won't open it. You're busy playing with garbage.
It's not garbage.
Can I have? Give me a Mr. Beast bar.
No, I'm about
I
to
need to
try
buy
it.
the D's
I'm about to
nuts.
try it. Yeah, my brother got the bar that's these nuts bar. Wait, first I have to show Daddy my slime. Daddy, come look at my Peachy Baby slime. It's axolotl in space, see? I'm still making my YouTube video too. Daddy, look.
Dad, look at King Koopa. You don't know this. It's from the Mario Brothers cartoon.
And look,
He's Bowser.
There's 2 charms in it.
He's green.
There's a UFO because it's axolotl in space and then an axolotl. And I'm still making my YouTube video. And this is literally flavored orange. These are Whoppers. We got a Mr. Beast chocolate bar, and Daddy, look, it's a Barbie house for my Barbie.
Yeah, look.
What time did you get home?
And
Yeah, we've opened it. We're done opening up our Easter Easter basket. Bye, guys.